Hello and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to build our subscriber base here on the channel. Let us know on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok who you'd like to see us draw next. Today we're going to get right into it with rookie quarterback of the Indianapolis Colts, Anthony Richardson, selected 4th overall in 2023 draft as their new quarterback. He played for the Florida Gators, and we're going to get started. So Anthony Richardson's, find your center of the page up and down, the center of the page across. We'll do Anthony Richardson's head right here in this top area. So find a dark marker, pointed tip. We'll start out with the jawline. So we'll go down, square jaw, chin, up and up. Okay, we'll do a couple of ears. 1, 2, pretty simple. Head goes up, side of the head goes up, and we're gonna connect with an arch the forehead. All right, let's do the neck really quick. We'll come back to the face. We'll go down, down, come to a point at the chin area, come to a point. We'll do a shoulder pad, round that out to the armpit area, round that out, come down to the waist, straight across, bring this armpit down to the waist. There we go. We have the torso and the head shape of Anthony Richardson. Let's do a big football over here. Big football. Okay, we'll do a couple, 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers holding the football. Anthony Richardson's pretty muscular, so we'll do some big muscles over here for the arm, a couple of curves, and then curve into the football there. Over here we're gonna do something fun. Let's do like a fist bump. So he's gonna be giving a fist bump to you, his fans. So we'll do those curve. 1, 2, 3, 4 bumps. Same on the top knuckles. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 bumps. Connect that with a curve. The thumb comes down and around. Okay, and we'll do the muscle arm coming down, bump, bump, and into that fist. Okay, cool. Let's do a Colts towel coming down from the waist. Something to dry your hands off in the cold weather when you're playing football. So let's do some legs. We'll curve down and up into the towel. Curve down, round it out, and up to the waist. There we go. Let's do some calves. Down, down, ankle. Slant down, ankle. Okay, big shoes now. Tongue of the shoe, tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Big toe to the edge of the paper. Straight across, we'll do right there to the heel and connect. There we go. Connect that heel down, straight across to the edge of the paper. Stop. Round that toe up and into the shoelace. Perfect. We got the body blocked out. Let's do some eyes. We'll do some sideways ovals. 1, 2. Circle on the inside, circle on the inside. Those are going to stay white for the highlights of the eyes. Circle on the inside, circle on the inside. Now I like to do an arch, and we're going to fill in, we're going to color in the rest of this eye with our dark marker. And leave those circles and areas white for the highlights to bring our character, Anthony Richardson, to life. Really quick, I'm going to jump over, I'm going to grab a light blue color marker and I'm going to color in this area with light blue. I like to say this is the reflection of the stadium lights off Anthony Richardson's eyes as he's playing quarterback. All right, let's get back to it. We'll do arch and a big thick eyebrow, arch, thick eyebrow to a point. There we go. Bring it down to a point. Okay, so let's go down from this edge of the eye, dot, down from this edge of the eye, dot. This is the edge of the nose. Here's what we'll do. We're gonna go up, down, up, and we're gonna fill in these nostril areas kind of like a, there we go. Thicken them up with the dark marker. Little rounded edges, you know, some curves to round out the nostrils there. Now let's do the mouth. Pretty basic. We're gonna go down, up, kind of like a bird. So down, up to a point, up, down. Okay. There's the bottom lip. There's the top lip. He's got a little mustache going on, so we're gonna just scribble a tiny little mustache. Follows that lip, okay? He's got a chin beard, so scribble in these whiskers right here. They kind of go up. There we go. Cool, there is our face, and we'll do some smile lines. Boom, boom. Anthony Richardson. Okay, cool. So now he's got some fun hair. We'll do a fun little dreadlock coming down. Some dreadlocks coming down the side of his head over here. One that's maybe going crazy over there. Bring these dreadlocks down. There we go. Maybe there's one that kind of pokes out over there. That's fun. Okay, cool. So we'll color these in. We'll maybe do a blonde dreadlock over here. Let's really quick get our blue marker, and we're gonna do the stripes. Come down on the shoulder pads. We're gonna leave those white. Same thing over here. They kind of curve, okay? They're not perfectly straight, so there we go. And we'll do the big number 5. So big straight across line, down, angle, pop up, straight across. Have fun with this one. Sometimes these are hard, these numbers, so you just have to pause if you need to, or go find a picture of Anthony Richardson at number 5. Cool. And then we'll do the Colts horseshoe right here on the terrible towel. Fill that horseshoe in the best you can. Awesome. Stripe. Stripe down the side of the pants. Stripe. Stripe. We'll color these in blue. We'll do some blue stripes. We'll color that in blue on the fast forward. And we'll color the jersey in all blue. All right? So we have Anthony Richardson of the Indianapolis Colts ready to rock the NFL season. Thank you for joining us. We're going to fast forward now, follow along, and don't forget to share this, subscribe, and let us know who you'd like to see draw next. Fast forward.